Hey everyone. So today's gonna look at Gundam Converge special kind of kit. Typically, Gundam Converge comes with like a small Gundam kit, but they also come with some of the battleships inside the Gundam. So this is the spaceship from original Gundam series. I think it's called White Base. I don't have a lot of context because I never watched the original Gundam series. I watched like a couple episodes, but like I couldn't get everything uh, figured out because it's beyond my age. Anyways, let's get to it. Open this and yeah, then look at the box. Okay, so there's some moving pieces that we can play around with the ship, but I need to figure out how I can put it in my collections. Let's get to it. I had this for a long time. Oh wait, there we go. There's some instructions. I have no idea what they mean. What? This scissor is somewhat useful in some cases. So here's the main body. It's very plasticky. Typical Gundam converge. Oh, and there's like components I need to install. Okay, it's not a straightforward out of the box. Okay, let's open up this main body first. Okay, so this is probably the bottom, and this is the top. Just put the camera on the better angle. And this is I think this is the actual size of the Gundam to the ship ratio. Okay, so there are quite some components I need to dig through. Which is gonna be a hassle for the kind of video I want to do. Sorry, I'm just on the side, open up all the components. Here. I wonder if there's an instruction with this. Okay. One second. After I open up all the here's the top tower of the thing. And there's a base stand that I may not use. And this is the side shield. Let's open it. Okay, need my scissor again. Here's the side shield. Okay, which is the easy part. You just put it like this. Does it fit? Okay. Oh, okay. So this is designated. That very interesting looking spaceship. All right. Just needs some effort, and then I guess this goes below. Is this right? Wondering if there's a base stand, but it doesn't tell me. Okay, let's look at the back. To give us nope, no instruction. So everything figure out. Okay, I wonder if the scissor can use it to cut through the. Let's cut through this first. Okay. Wonder if this is sharp enough to cut through these. It seems to be at the angle. Nope, it's too weak. So this will come in handy. Still, this place is still a little bit too crowded for my liking. So these are the wings. These are some of the components, which I just have to figure out what they do. It's probably one of the wings somewhere. This is easy to like cut here. Quite some effort. I don't like effort. I like it easy. All right, 2 more. Right. Okay, so that's one of the parts, and then here's some greatest part. Not super sure. These are 4, but some of the weapons, I guess. Ooh. Some parts I want you to take a closer look before I cut them because they look a little bit tricky. Okay. So here's these are some cannon, I guess. Okay. Oh. And here's some more. Alright, so that's all of it. Put this back to my holder. Okay, so there's a lot of components, kind of, so I think this goes here. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Before I put this on, let's put the small one on. The small one seems like it should go. Okay, so this one needs to be thoroughly cut. Oh, there's a lot more work than I anticipated. Yeah. Oh, okay. Slip right in. Which is good. Slip right in. How come this doesn't slip right in? For some reason. It should slip right in. Oh, actually it slipped right in. I was doing something wrong, I guess. Okay, and then, so I guess these are the wings on the side, like that. All right, making progress. It's great. Okay, and I guess this goes on the top like this. Okay, and I guess there's some weapons. I wonder what this are. You can put this on. It's a weapon mode. Okay, and this is a different mode, I guess. And then here's the okay. Seems like you can open this up. Okay. Ah, I see. So you can open this up and then hook this in. Ooh, sorry. Hook this in somehow. Oh, you can open this. Can you open this up? Oh, this is a lot more. Can you? Oh, interesting. There's so much to it to just this ship that's already built like that. Okay. Quite interesting. And wonder if you can put this here or what? What do you put here? Nope. Okay. But there's some weapon that you can put on. Wonder where it is. Okay. Seems like quite some work. So I'm just gonna ignore that part. Too much work for me. Just save the components. I'll play around with it later. Alright, so here I have it. This is the white base from the original Gundam. This is like additional thing. Yeah. Okay, so there's some yellow components here. Okay, so this is some top area that you can put on. Let's see how. Some more cosmetics. So last finishing touch. Yellow is always a good color for me. I like yellow as the finish of it. Okay. Alright, so then cut things properly here. See if I can do it better. Alright, so okay. Imagine if I could do like a bigger version, it would be even more complex. This is already too much work for me at my age. Getting too old for this. Especially on camera. Alright. Then the two sides. I guess you put it here. Oh. This two sides, I have to figure out where this is supposed to be. Okay, it seems to be like this. I guess it's an antenna thing for it. Okay. Alright, so this kind of look like the dragon head on the top. Interesting look. Alright, so this is the back. It's a very neat spaceship, I would say. And here is a whole bunch of stuff that you can open up. I think I can dump a lot of the components in there for the ones I'm not using for now. And later when I need it, I can come back to it. Just wonder how I can put this. All right. Okay, it's too much. Too full. Okay, here pick up some slack, like that. All right. All right. Okay. Okay, actually fits. And this is supposed to be a stand for it. I'm not sure. Cannot tell. But I don't really need. Okay. Don't really need this stand. Oh. Okay. So it does. If you put it like that. Alright, so here you have it. This is the white base from Gundam Converge. Looking really good, and I like the size, little real estate, which is good for everyone. Yeah, alright. Yeah, I hope you like this white spaceship. And then, if you like this kid or want to discuss, put a comment below, and then give encouragement, give me a like, and then yeah, if you want to see more, obviously I have so much more I want to unbox, but I just have to find the time and then subscribe to see more. Yeah. All right. Thanks. See you guys next time. Peace. Bye.